Today I'll be doing the cluster of Rehorst. This is a series of tests in order to assess lumbar spine instability. So the first test is the PA spring test. So if you could come on your stomach. What we'll be doing here is we're going to be applying a PA pressure on the lumbar spine. So we'll be moving down the lumbar spine on each segment. What I'm trying to do here is to see if there's any pain provocation. Is there any pain?
No.
No. And if there's any pain provocation, that would mean that it's a positive test. The second test is the prone instability test. So if you can come to the edge of the table, just grab on. Good, your feet on the ground. What we're doing now is we're going to give a segmental PA pressure again. And again, what we're looking for is pain provocation. Just let me know if you feel any pain. No pain?
No.
Okay. The second part of this test is we're asking the patient to lift the legs up off the floor. Good. And then we're going to apply the same pressure. Okay, good. Basically what's happening in the first part of the test, the lumbar spine is relaxed. So if there were pain provocation, that could mean there is an instability in the lumbar spine. And the second part of the test, we're actually activating the global musculature. And if this part of the test were negative, it means that the patient could benefit from a lumbar stability program. All right, so the third part of the test is the general ligament laxity. So basically for this, we can take the Brighton score. This is a series of 9 tests that could indicate if the patient has lax ligaments. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a straight leg raise, as it's also an indication of ligament laxity. So if you just lift your leg all the way up as far as you can. Good. And the other one. Good. So for this test, if there is a straight leg raise of greater than 90 degrees, the patient could also benefit from a stability program. And the last test is the aberrant motion test. So if you can come stand here, please. So I'm going to ask the patient if you could please bend forward slowly, all the way, and then back up slowly. Good. So what I'm looking for here is any acceleration movement or deceleration movement during the flexion and extension, or any asymmetries, or the presence of a Gower sign if he's using his hands to climb back up, because any of that could indicate lumbar spine instability. So this was the cluster of Rehorst. There's no specific cutoff point for this test, but if any of these tests are positive, then it could be beneficial for the patient to have a program to strengthen and stabilize the lumbar spine.